The Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event will take place in South Korea on July 26. During the events, Samsung will unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 foldable smartphones, as well as its premium smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Samsung has gone to great lengths to keep new goods under wraps, but Twitter-happy leakers have kept us well fed with delicious tidbits. With a few additional images, the most recent effort attempts to show the precise sizes for all Galaxy Watch 6 models. The Galaxy Watch 6 series has a lot of potential, but it's not without flaws. This year, Samsung seems to be intending to provide 40mm and 44mm casing variants for the Galaxy Watch 6, as well as a choice between 43mm and 47mm for the Watch 6 Classic. That would make the 47mm Classic model the biggest Galaxy Watch we've seen so far, with just the 46mm Classic model coming in second. The retailer's website also indicates that the LTE and Wi-Fi models would be available in the same sizes. The only way to tell whether a product is good or bad is to look at it. This seems to be a more comprehensive compilation of all potential strap and material combinations. Samsung may provide the Galaxy Watch 6, but it also adds support for a number of technological specifics that we have been hearing about in recent months. The images seem to show a fast disconnect button under the straps, which should make strap replacements considerably easier. For additional information and confirmation of the aforementioned facts, the wait shouldn't be too lengthy. These also indicate that the Galaxy Watch 6 series will be manufactured in Vietnam, with sapphire crystal glass and water-resistant up to 5 atm. Samsung has confirmed that its Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on July 26, which is just over a week away. Hopefully, we will see the debut of the Galaxy Watch 6 series. Then, Blast shared a few images on his Threads account revealing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, Watch 6, and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic pre-order deals. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.